5 lies that will sink your job application. Looking to land your dream job? Be careful, one mistake on your resume could cost you the opportunity. And worse, certain lies won't just get you rejected, they can damage your career beyond repair. I am Rajesh and today, I am exposing 5 resume lies that could sink your job application. Stay with me till the end, some of these might surprise you. Ever thought about tweaking your job title to make it sound more impressive? You are not alone, but what happens when the hiring manager cross-checks with your previous employer? If your title doesn't match company records, it raises a red flag. This one lie can make recruiters question everything else on your resume. Is it worth the risk? Sure, listing that prestigious degree you never actually earned might seem like a shortcut to landing the job, but it's a ticking time bomb. Many companies conduct background checks, and if they catch you, you're not just losing this job opportunity, but you could be blacklisted in your industry. Would you want to risk your entire career for a fake degree or diploma? Imagine confidently claiming you are a validation expert, only to freeze on your first day when asked to create a validation protocol. Listing skills you don't have might get you an interview, but it'll also put you in an embarrassing and career-damaging situation. And trust me, no employer likes dishonesty. What happens when they find out? Have a career gap? It's tempting to fill it with a fake job, but beware, employers verify past employment. A simple call to your previous employer could expose the lie, leaving you with not just a rejected application but a tarnished reputation. Instead, be honest. A well-explained gap is always better than a discovered lie. Boosting your performance metrics by just a little may seem harmless, but if you're asked to back it up in an interview, what will you say? A recruiter can quickly verify numbers, and if they find out you've stretched the truth, you'll go from a promising candidate to an instant reject. Is that really worth the risk? Honesty isn't just the best policy, it's the only policy if you want a long and successful career. Avoid these 5 lies, and you'll build trust with employers while increasing your chances of landing the job. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more career tips, and leave your questions in the comments. I'm here to help you succeed. Good luck with your job search.